Classic Italian Margherita pizza. Subscribe and like for an Italian culinary adventure. Buongiorno. Welcome to our channel, where we're going to delight in the authentic flavors of Italy. Today, we're excited to share with you the secrets of making a classic Italian Margherita pizza. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Italy. To create this delightful Italian Margherita pizza, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients. For the pizza dough, 2¼ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. For the pizza toppings, 1 cup tomato sauce, homemade or store-bought, 8 ounces fresh mozzarella cheese, sliced, fresh basil leaves, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. To taste. Now, let's experience the flavors of Italy. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the warm water, sugar, and active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until the yeast activates and becomes frothy. Step 2. Add the all-purpose flour, olive oil, and salt to the yeast mixture. Mix everything together until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Step 3. Place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Step 4. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. On a floured surface, roll out the pizza dough into a round shape, about 12 inches in diameter. Place the rolled out dough on a pizza peel or a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 5. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the pizza dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Step 6. Arrange the slices of fresh mozzarella cheese over the tomato sauce, ensuring an even distribution. Step 7. Scatter fresh basil leaves on top of the cheese, adding a fragrant and herbaceous touch to the Margherita pizza. Step 8. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over the pizza and season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. And there you have it. Classic Italian Margherita pizza. A delightful and timeless dish that represents the authentic tastes of Italy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this Italian culinary adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Margherita pizza. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time. Buon appetito and happy cooking!